Hey eufy fans, it's me Paul, admin of the world's largest eufy dedicated Facebook group, eufy Security Camera Owners. Today we're going to be looking at a crucial feature of eufyCams which can greatly enhance your home security setup, and those features are privacy zones and activity zones. We'll take a look at what they are, how they differ and how to set them up. Let's find out. So, to set up privacy zones, open the eufy Security app and select the camera you want to configure. Go to Settings, Video Settings, then Privacy Zones. Here you can draw up to 4 zones directly on your camera's live view. These zones will appear blacked out on the live feed and recordings, ensuring areas like neighbours' property or private spaces are not monitored. So, privacy zones are fantastic for maintaining neighbourly peace and respecting local privacy laws, especially in areas with strict surveillance regulations. Now, let's move on to activity zones. Unlike privacy zones, activity zones help focus your camera's motion detection on specific areas, which should help reduce false alerts. To set up activity zones, go to the same settings menu, but select motion detection, then activity zones. Here you can create custom zones where you want the camera to detect motion. This is particularly useful for areas with a lot of movement, like busy streets or sidewalks, allowing you to ignore these areas and focus on critical spots like your front door or driveway. So, in summary, privacy zones block out areas to avoid recording in that area altogether. They also ensure you keep up your neighbourly relations and abide by any local recording laws. Activity zones, on the other hand, help focus your camera's motion detection in certain areas which are important to you and will help reduce false alerts. So thanks for watching. If you found that useful, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe to be notified of future videos which will include helpful hints and tips on your eufyCams. Also, please drop any questions in the comments below and I will do my best to answer. Thanks for watching.